This is an unboxing only. There's not going to be any audio samples. That's going to be for the next video. The H1 handy recorder by Zoom. I got it from the Best Buy that was closing down near me, so it was on sale for $50, which is half price, and a pretty good deal. Included in the box are the device itself, manuals, a couple of flyers for other Samsung products, a AA battery, a 2 GB micro SD card, an SD card adapter. You get about 2 hours 41 minutes in WAV format and 29 hours 45 minutes in MP3 format at 128 bits per second. The manual is very good. It clearly shows where the buttons are. It's got a lot of pictures. Simple to follow. Once I've used it for a little while, I'll be posting another video with some audio samples demonstrating how I use it with my camera. It's pretty light. It's about 3.1 ounces with the included battery. Be a lot less with a lithium. All the buttons are on one side pretty much. The other side's just the volume button. On the back is the settings for the WAV format, your low cut filter, and your auto level control. The SD card cover seems a little fragile. Some of the reviews on Amazon noted that. I think it's okay because I don't plan on opening and closing it a lot. Once the card's in there, it's going to stay in there. I'm going to do all my transfers using the USB cable. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, please post them up on my page. Thanks a lot for watching.